Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply presets without losing image quality. So first up, what you have to do is open up the Lightroom presets app, and then once you are here, select any preset that you want to apply to. So if you tap on it, you can tap on the open button and then open preset, which will launch your Lightroom app. So make sure that the image is not compressed and it is in full resolution, and simply tap on the three dots over here and then tap on the create preset to save it. Alright, now then tap on the tick button. So now that is done, the preset has been saved. Now open any image that on which you want to apply the preset over to, and open it and tap on the presets button over here, and then tap on the saved button which I saved earlier. So in order to not lose quality, then make sure that you have fine-tuned your exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, clarity and sharpness to maintain the original quality of your photo. So you need to avoid over editing the photo so that it doesn't loses its quality. And then once you are satisfied with the results, make sure that you have saved the image. And yeah, that is how you apply a preset without losing any image quality. And thank you very much for watching. If this video has helped you, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if there are any questions, then leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. And thank you very much for watching.